Who's a good bird? Who's a good bird? Yeah? Yeah? Good bird. The fuck? You want to climb up the shoulder? No. And there he goes. And he just sits here the whole time. But it's not really good because I can't get him to leave very easily. Maybe I can right now. Oh. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Kind of my fault because I would go in the store and spend time with him. I just leave him on the shoulder. I thought this was good. But now he just doesn't. Hey, step up. Step up. Step up. Step up. Oh, step up. I'll step up. Do. Hey. Okay. All right. Fucking piece of shit.